Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see about what is meant by multimedia. Before that, you have to know what is meant by media. What is media? Media is nothing but a speech carrier of informations. Speech carrier of informations. Okay, what about multimedia? That is in the name itself. We know the answer. Multimedia means we have multiple number of carriers for informations. So you know that what is meant by media and what is meant by multimedia. We recollect media is nothing but specific carrier of informations. Multimedia refers multiple carrier of informations. We can get the exact definitions of multimedia. What is meant by multimedia? We can define multimedia means that computer informations can be represented through audio, video, and animations in addition to traditional media. What are all traditional media? We have text, graphics, and images. Then we can define in another way of multimedia. What is that? That is, multimedia is the field concerned with the computer controlled integrations of text, graphics, drawings, still and moving images, animations, audio, and okay. Here, all informations can be represented and stored, transmitted, and processed digitally. Then we can define another way. Multimedia is a media that uses multiple form of information's content and information processing. Then for to find the history of multimedia, the first invention of multimedia is the newspaper. Okay. After that, we can develop the multimedia in the form of radio waves. That is, we are using radio waves. We can get the different elements we are using for the multimedia. Next we are going to find the what are the basic elements of multimedia. Here we have text, graphic, animations, video, and audio are the basic elements of multimedia. First, now we will see about the first element, that is text. We know that text is nothing but characters that are used to create words, sentence, and paragraphs. So for graphic is nothing but digital representations of non-text information such as drawing, chart, or photograph. Graphics are shown in the slide. You can see the slide. Here all digital informations of non-text information such as drawing, chart, or photograph. The next element is basic element is animations. Animation is nothing but a flipping through a series of still images. It is a series of graphics that create an illusion of motion. The next element, that is the next multimedia element is video. What is mean by video? That is the motion picture. The motion picture is nothing but video. The motion picture is nothing but video. So for video basic element, photographic images that are played back at speed of 15 to 30 frames a second, and it provides the appearance of full motions. The next basic element is audio. For using audio, we can hear music, speech, or any other sound. Then we have two types of multimedia presentations. First one is linear presentations, and second one is non-linear interactive presentations. For linear active presentations, we have linear active content progresses often without any navigational control for the viewer, such as in cinema presentations. For in cinema presentations, we have no navigational control. Okay, but in non-linear category, we have a control. That, for example, for video game, we have a control. Okay, so we have two types of multimedia presentation. First one, linear and non-linear. In linear mode only, there is no in linear active content progress often without any navigational control. That is, in linear presentation there is no navigational control. But in non-linear we have a control. Next we will see about the usage of multimedia. Multimedia finds its applications in various areas, including but not limited to What are they? Advertisement, art, education, entertainment, engineering, medicines, mathematics, business, scientific research. All these types of area we are using multimedia. In education side, we can use mainly students can learn students can search encyclopedia such as which provide fact on a variety of different topics using multimedia presentations. Teachers can use multimedia presentations to make lessons more interesting by using animations to highlight or demonstrate key points. Okay. The next usage is a multimedia presentation can make it easier for pupils to read text rather than trying to read a teacher's writing on the board. These are the some advantages of multimedia. And also we have programs which shows pictures and text while children reading a story can help them to learn to read. These are form of a multimedia presentations. So in education side we have a lot of usage of multimedia for better understanding of all concept both in teacher and students. Then next multimedia is also used in business purpose also. Multimedia is used for advertising and selling product on the internet. That means another benefit is that the company do not have to pay the additional expenses for an employee attending a course ever from the workplace. Okay. Next and also we have many computer games with use soundtrack, that is 3D graphics and video clips. People use the internet for a wide range of reasons. Okay. And these are the some advantages of usages. It is shows in the given slides. The applications of multimedia is showing in the slide. That is a computer based training and teaching aid, references, entertainment. Then we are using simulations, and also it is also used in virtual reality and virtual surgery, and all these things we are using multimedia. So advantages for to find the advantages of multimedia, it is very user friendly and it does not take much energy out of the users. In the sense we can sit and watch the presentations, and also we can read the text and hear the audio. It is a multi-sensorial, and also it uses a lot of the user sense. Okay. Then next for the to find the advantage, it is integrated and interactive. So all the different mediums are integrated through the digitization process. So and also it is flexible being digital, because being digital this media can easily be changed to its fit different situations and audience. And also it can be a wide variety of audience ranging from one person to whole group. Those we have a large number of advantages in multimedia. It has disadvantages also. From what are they? The first one is information's overload, because it is so easy to use. It can contain too much information at once, because all elements, that is text, audio, video, animation, graphics, all are included. So it takes time to compile. Even though it is flexible, it takes time to put the original draft together. And another disadvantage is it can be expensive. And also multimedia makes use of a wide range of resources which can cost you large amount of money. And it is memory, it occupies large number of memory space, because it has a it has many elements are there. It has many elements, because audio, it has the basic elements of the multimedia are audio, video, text, graphics, animations. All these elements occupy many space. So it needs large storage space. So computer must have a large space for storing the file. Next one, hypertext and hypermedia. What is meant by hypertext? Hypertext is a text which contains links to other. Here, this term is first invented by Nelson around the year 1965. So information is linked for in hypertext. Information is linked and cross-referenced in many different way and is widely available to end user. Hypertext means a database in which information has been organized non-linearly. The database consists of pages and links between pages. Okay, in hypermedia, a link is defined by source and destination node. Okay, so we have two types of link, internal link and external link. Here the slide shows the hypertext. Hypermedia is not constrained to be text based. It can include other media. That means it can include graphics, images, and sound and video. This slide shows the hypertext and hypermedia. For designing hypermedia, we have to concentrate on converting linear text to hypertext, text format conversions, dividing the text into nodes, link structure, automatic generations of links or nodes in a database, or they separate files on file system, and client server or standard alone. To find the characteristics of hypermedia, first we have to obey. It must be possible to use hypermedia both for writing and reading informations, and the information comprise non-sequential structure and thus followed along alternative path. The informations must follow natural associations from one information unit to another. The informations may be hierarchically structured. The next character is each information unit is present in a separate on-screen window, and also it must be possible to share the informations, and it must be possible to have several people working against the database at the same time. The information resides in a database. So these two slides indicates the characteristics of hypermedia. For delivering multimedia, that is, we are using optical disc and over a distributed networking. For delivering multimedia using optical discs, the most cost-effective method of delivery for multimedia material. These devices are used to store large amount of combinations of text, graphics, sound, and moving video. For delivering media optical disc, we are using compact disc, and then digital vessel disc, blurry disc we are using. And for in distributed network, that is, we are using, it is suitable for web based content, and also files need to be compressed before transfer. Okay, for delivering multimedia, we are using web based one and CD based one. For in web based, limited in picture size and low video resolution we got. But in CD based, it can store high end multimedia elements, and it can be changes, damaged or deleted by irresponsible individual. It can be permanently stored and changeable. In web based, informations can be updated easily and cheaper. But in CD based, informations can be quickly outdated. So for this today topic, we studied about what is meant by multimedia, what are the basic elements using in multimedia, then what are the advantages and disadvantages multimedia, how we are delivering the multimedia. Okay, thank you.